Long before cities, long before books, long before history had a name, there was the sky. Imagine yourself thousands of years ago. No electricity, no screens, only darkness, and above you, an ocean of stars. This is where our story begins. Welcome to 88, a journey through all 88 constellations, from the first humans who looked up in wonder to the astronomers of today. Tonight, we begin at the beginning. Before written language, before agriculture, early humans studied the sky. They noticed patterns. Certain stars rose before sunrise in specific seasons. Others marked winter or summer. The moon changed shape in a steady rhythm. The sky became the first calendar. In caves like Lascaux in France, researchers found paintings marked with clusters of dots. Some believe they may represent star groupings. We cannot be certain, but when the sky dominates your nights, its patterns become familiar. For people living close to nature, survival depended on observation. The stars were constant in a world of uncertainty. Around 4,000 years ago in Mesopotamia, astronomical observations were carved into clay tablets. The Babylonians named figures still known today. The great bull became Taurus. The scorpion became Scorpius. The lion became Leo. They tracked planets and predicted eclipses. The heavens reflected divine order. For the first time, constellations were recorded permanently. The sky was no longer only memory, it was history. In ancient Egypt, the rising of Sirius, part of Canis Major, signaled the flooding of the Nile. That flooding meant fertile soil. It meant survival. Many scholars connect the pyramids with stars in Orion, linked to Osiris, god of rebirth. To the Egyptians, the stars were eternal, a promise that life continues beyond death. The ancient Greeks inherited Babylonian patterns and transformed them into powerful stories. In the 2nd century, the astronomer Claudius Ptolemy catalogued 48 constellations in the Almagest. His list guided astronomy for over 1,000 years. The sky became a stage of heroes and monsters. Meanwhile, Chinese astronomers divided the sky differently. Instead of large mythic figures, they created hundreds of smaller star groups representing imperial courts and officials. In 1054, they recorded a sudden guest star. Today, we know this event created the Crab Nebula in Taurus. Across the Pacific, Polynesian navigators mastered wayfinding. Without compasses, they memorized where stars rose and set. By following these paths, they crossed thousands of kilometers of open ocean. During the Age of Exploration, European sailors charted southern constellations unseen by Mediterranean observers. New constellations appeared: Dorado, Phoenix, and Hydrus. In the 20th century, the International Astronomical Union officially defined 88 constellations with precise boundaries covering the entire sky. From Ursa Major in the north to Octans near the south celestial pole, every visible star belongs to one of these regions. 88 chapters written in light. Modern astronomy reveals something fascinating. Stars in a constellation are rarely close in space. They only appear aligned from Earth's perspective. Orion looks unified, yet its stars lie at vastly different distances. Constellations are patterns created by perspective, and still they endure. A child today sees Leo just as Babylonian observers once did. Scorpius still curves across summer skies. Andromeda still stretches across autumn nights. From cave walls to clay tablets to pyramids to myth to ocean voyages to space telescopes, human beings have always looked upward. On 88, Each episode explores one constellation, its stars, its history, and the civilizations that gave it meaning. If the night sky has ever made you pause, subscribe and continue this journey across all 88 constellations. Because here is something extraordinary. The carbon in your body, the oxygen you breathe, the iron in your blood, all were forged inside ancient stars. When massive stars exploded, they scattered those elements across space. From that material, new stars formed, planets formed, life formed, we formed. So when you look at the constellations, you are not looking at something foreign. You are looking at your origins. The sky is not only above us, it is within us. Welcome to 88, and I'll see you under the stars.